My name is Carmen, and it's my greatest pleasure to be your host for today's Learning Festival. Our first topic is on Towards a Metaverse for Good. We invited Dr. Loretta Chen to share with us more on that. Our second topic is on the impact of artificial intelligence and business automation by Mr. Alvin Lam. Third, it's on driving business innovation with Industry 4.0 and Cloud Native by Mr. Truman Ng. And fourth topic is Deep Learning and Machine Learning Unlocked by Mr. Dwight Fonseca. And last but not least, we have the final topic on Metaverse as a Service by our Chief Metaverse Officer, Mr. Sean Sang.
People about what is Metaverse? Is it Smobler? Is it Sombler? Well, Smobler is actually a made-up word. It's a composite of two words in Swedish. Smör meaning small and blur, furniture, so small furniture, because basically what we do is we create little voxel characters in the open metaverse.
Everyone, ladies and gentlemen, once again join me in welcoming Mr. Alvin.
Hi everyone, we have been in this industry for a very long time. We are also very technical. We came from a very technical background, doing cybersecurity, IT governance, and therefore naturally when we went into machine learning and artificial intelligence, right, we actually developed a base of opportunities, right, and therefore we are looking also for collaboration. All right, so that's what we do. And today's topic, of course, with such a short time, right, we will take a snapshot look at what is artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation, and generally do a bit of prediction. We call these regression, right, to find out how it's going to be in the next couple of years, right?
Huawei Global Training Center also contracted him to provide over 60 consultations and training for internet service providers, ISPs from Malaysia, Singapore, Brunei, Philippines, Australia, Poland, Iran, and countries over the world. So without further ado, please join me in welcoming Mr. Truman.
Hi, good evening everyone. The first use case that people deploy the cloud native technologies in their organization, I use the finance industry. As we know, the credit cards, the debit cards, right? When we make a payment, we need to be in compliance with the PCI DSS. Yeah, for those who actually the expert in finance industry, PCI DSS is nothing new to you, right? It's about the compliances. Yeah. So in order to achieve the security objective and also make the deployment more resilient, yeah. So they deploy container model infrastructure. Yeah, it implies that they put all the infrastructure in a containerized environment. That is one of the beauty of having cloud native technologies. Imagine 10 years ago, without having containerization, we have to invest on the hardware. We have to invest on the virtualization software, right? We have to troubleshoot the compatibility between the software and the hardware. Once we have the deployment of containerization model, it actually resolve and address all the issues. And also compatibility issue in terms of system is no longer an issue nowadays. And also we can achieve the security, in the finance industry. That is one of the use cases.
Introduce myself. So can I have the next slide, please? So my name is Dwight. So I'm actually a data scientist in Plano. Okay. So I also deal with data governance as well, data analytics, big data. Okay. So I've been in this industry for almost 5 years. So I deal with mostly healthcare data. That's my background. My background is usually pharmaceutical as well. Okay, so I also teach AI and machine learning courses in several training centers, including Aventis. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, The pattern recognition, there are all kinds of areas we can apply pattern recognition, automation, personalization, prediction, and optimization. So what does that mean? For example, personalization. Sometimes you receive advertisements that are very personalized to your preferences and liking. This is a very important aspect of deep learning in marketing. Prediction, to predict things before they happen. There are deep learning applications that can predict breakdown in machines before they happen. For example, you're working in an engineering firm or a manufacturing firm, and if the machine breaks down, it causes a lot of damage in the entire flow, in the entire pipeline. If you can predict a machine is going to break down before it breaks down, you will definitely take actions and steps to prevent that from happening. So that is an example of prediction. It's a lot of cost saving and time saving in manufacturing, for example. Optimization, what does that mean? Means I adjust my, for example, my marketing channels. For example, I'm marketing in Facebook, in Twitter, in maybe other Instagram, other social media channels. But the data shows, for example, if I channel more efforts in Facebook, I'll get more revenue. That's example of optimization. It gives you advice and prescription in order to enhance your sales, enhance your performance.
Without further ado, let's welcome Sean to share more with us on Metaverse as a Service. Sean, please.
Metaverse is also transforming the traditional business model with its virtual office architecture. Companies like Nike, Intel, YouTube, and even McDonald's are already working under Metaverse virtual architecture. VR training is one of the most significant benefits of Metaverse, as that provides employees with simulated experiences for corporate training, and remote working in virtual space, communication and collaboration using devices, and 3D avatars are also the future of work.
We will look forward to seeing you at our next Learning Festival. In the meantime, please stay safe, keep well, and have a wonderful weekend ahead. Thank you everyone for joining.